Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So आज की वीडियो में ना हम बहुत ही मस्त बैग्स की बात करने वाले हैं. So लास्ट मंथ जो मैंने वीडियो किया था Amazon बैग्स का, that was a little on the expensive side क्योंकि mostly सब बैग्स उसमें मिराजियो के ही थे. But this time I made it my mission to find some trendy plus affordable bags on Amazon. So let's get started. Now, because we're in a month of love, I was in that mood only when I was placing the order. So you're gonna find a lot of pinks and reds. So hello. I have some basic options also, but look at this. This is so cute. This one's from Fast Track actually. Like, look at the branding here, and it has like this really cute heart cut out here, and then when you open it you have the handle. The best part is कि ये open ended नहीं है, इसमें proper तुम्हें chain मिल रहा है. So whatever you're gonna keep in it, oh my god guys, ये मैंने अभी खोल के देखा है, but अंदर से it's cuter. Like look at this pattern, it's like stripes all over and it's so cute. Like this is so Barbie coded, I feel. Let's open it and let me show you how it looks. This is like a shoulder bag as you can see, but honestly this one's so cute. I know ये वीडियो आप वैलेंटाइन के बाद देखोगे, but I wish मैं पहले पोस्ट कर देती because this one's so cute. Look at this. I absolutely love it. This is adorable. Like look at this. It's in like a very baby pink color. तो ऐसा भी नहीं है यार कि like एकदम poppy pink color. It's such a cute bag. Love it. Love it. What do you think? And this one's for 2495, but बहुत मस्त डिस्काउंट पे अमेजोन पे अवेलेबल है. आई थिंक आई पेड 1200 या 1300 रुपये ही मैंने इसके लिए पे किया, ज़्यादा नहीं किया है. बट ओ माई गॉड, दिस वंस सुपर cute you guys. And yes, you're gonna hear the accents, you're gonna hear the excitement because hello, this is cute. I mean, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो आपको बता दूँ मैं कि मैं हार्ट शेप से बहुत obsessed हूँ. I have a lot of tattoos also, one's here. But just to give you an example of my obsession of this heart shape. So cute. I absolutely love it. Like look how pretty. When I was placing orders ना मुझे नहीं पता चला because usually I place orders after midnight, ठीक है, because वो मेरा ऐसा मस्त अकेले बैठ के टाइम पास करने का टाइम होता है ना. I love shopping at that time. So accidentally I ordered 3, like literally 3 burgundy / red bags, but look how pretty they are. So this is from the same brand. Like these 2 bags are from the same brand and they're very affordable and they're very very good looking. It's in like a faux leather finish. The only concern that I have, अब मुझे नहीं पता कि वो मेरे पीस में ऐसा आया है और it's the quality. Do you see this thing? Do you see the white mark here? मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा सा और खींच दूँ तो कुछ तो फट जाएगा इसमें. आई डोंट नो लाइक इफ़ इट्स जस्ट दिस पीस और इट्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ द ब्रांड, बट देखने में तो यार लुक एट दिस बैग. इट्स सो स्मार्ट एंड इट लुक्स सो एक्सपेंसिव. लाइक दिस इज़ लाइक योर प्रॉपर कोरियन स्टाइल बैग एंड आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट वेबसाइट पे बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा था. प्लस इसमें जो शाइन है ना, इट डजंट लुक चीप एट ऑल. इट लुक्स really really pretty, and the buckle style also like is a very expensive looking touch. और ये अंदर से भी बहुत सही है. like it's like a plain black fabric अंदर, and we are getting like 2 zips here, 2 partitions. so मेरे को all in all मुझे बस वही लगा कि maybe this one piece has a problem, but it's really nice. It's super hard and sturdy, so I just loved this color, guys. It's so pretty and so Valentine month coded as well. What do we think? I think I'm gonna try to exchange इट दूसरे पीस में, क्योंकि अगर ये सिर्फ पीस का ही वो है, बिकॉज इस साइड कुछ नहीं है, इट्स अ रियली नाइस फिनिशिंग इस तरफ. सो मुझे लगता है कि मैं एक बार एक्सचेंज करा के इसको देख लेती हूँ, मे बी दूसरा पीस अच्छा आएगा, बिकॉज मुझे डिज़ाइन तो इसका बहुत ही मस्त लगा है. ऑल्सो ऑल द प्राइसेस विल पॉप अप ऑन स्क्रीन हर बार की तरह, एंड सारे लिंक्स जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, सो मेक श्योर दैट यू चेक इट आउट. ओके, this is another bag from the same brand, again same finish and everything, and this strap is adjustable, like थोड़ा सा और छोटा और थोड़ा सा और लंबा हो सकता है यहाँ साइड से. and again the color, you guys, the color is so pretty. Excuse me for the drama, but the color is so pretty. Okay, let's see how you open it. How do I open? Oh, I thought मुझे इतना difficult इन्होंने buckle दिया, but no, it's super easy. You have like a button here, then you have like a zip here, so your stuff is gonna be super secure. And again, it's like hard, it's not very flexible wala material. Let's see how much space it has. Also, I've made mess मेरे room में, but it's okay. See, this has like a brown fabric inside it, very simple plain, and इसकी साइड में हमें पॉकेट भी मिल रही है. सो अगर तुम मुझसे पूछो ना क्वालिटी वाइज, तो दिस वन इज बेटर क्वालिटी, जबकि ये दोनों सेम ब्रांड से है, बट द क्वालिटी इज मच बेटर देन द अदर burgundy bag, and this one's also looking good. So I think I'll just keep this one and return that one. You let me know what do you think. पहले मुझे लगा था कि जो इसमें शाइन आ रही है ना, it's gonna look cheap because the price is also very less, like 700 की रेंज में ही हैं ये दोनों bags, but it looks very hot. I feel I love it. I'm just gonna keep a little bit of makeup, a card, and that's all I need. And of course my AirPods, but this is how it looks. Let me know what do you think. I think it's a pretty smart shoulder bag. It's giving very like 2K Hollywood vibes to me. Love. Okay, next bag. मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये ज़्यादा लोगों को पसंद आएगा, because इसमें उतना ज़्यादा शाइन नहीं है, बट इट्स स्टिल वेरी प्रिटी कलर एंड वेरी क्यूट डिटेलिंग. इसमें भी तुम इसको ऐसे खोलते हो, इसका जो जिपर है दैट्स सिल्वर, लाइक ऑल द हार्डवेयर दैट दे हैव यूज्ड इन द बैग इज़ सिल्वर, बट जो हमारा बाकी हमने 2 रेड बैग्स देखे ना, उसमें दोनों में गोल्ड यूज़ हुआ है, बट दिस वंस प्रिटी कूल and is again really nice quality from the inside as well. इसमें भी तुमको मस्त एक पॉकेट मिल रहा है, like card pocket, and you're getting like a zipper and a stitch button too. And see how hot this is. So जो इसका zip and you know this buckle is not very visible, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम इसको अपनी गोल्ड ज्वेलरी के साथ नहीं you know कैरी कर सकते, बिकॉज ज़्यादा नहीं दिख रहा है. So I think this is super versatile, and it has like a little touch of black also, so it's gonna look amazing with your black outfits, and of course white पे तो तुम देख सकते हो अच्छा लग रहा है. Dude, this is so smart and cute as well. Like look at the bow. I absolutely love it. Let me know कि इन तीनों बैग में से तुम्हारा कौन सा फेवरेट है. This one is a little pricier than the other two, but totally worth the price. Like इसका quality भी definitely better है उन दोनों से. Next bag that I have is actually for the Pinterest girly in me, because it's crochet, and you know sometimes I go to a cafe and just sit there with a good book, so it's just for those days, or maybe I'll take it to my next beach vacation, because look how pretty this is, guys. Wait, listen, see, this has like literally bows stitched to it. ये पूरा ऐसे crochet में है, and बहुत ही ज़्यादा Pinterest girly coded है. Like look how pretty. Like imagine I'm just gonna you know carry my books and just random stuff जो तुम्हारी हॉबी है उससे रिलेटेड तुम ये स्टफ़ कैरी करके जा रहे हो, just because it makes you happy, not because तुम्हें कोई काम है, किसी से मिलना है, बस अपनी खुशी के लिए. This is that bag for me. It's such a cute tote bag, jokes apart, and again it's in the 700 rupees वाला range. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे. Like it's off white, and plus it has a lot of more embroidered options. Like इसमें heart वाला भी था, but I think I got that last year for another video. So वो भी तुम देख सकते हो, but this one's super cute. Let me know what do you think. Of course इस outfit के साथ ये इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, but with like a maxi dress, you know, like a chill maxi dress, it's gonna look super pretty. Next two bags are these ones. I actually included them in my last Amazon affordable bags haul, but if you're gonna watch this video for the first time and maybe this is your first time coming across to my channel, then you would, I think, love this option because ये 500 के अंदर है यार. And look how smart this is. This is from this brand called Edisa, and they make really affordable bags, and somehow some of the bags are really smart looking. Like this one, it's your sling bag. This is how it looks. मतलब मुझे लगता है again it doesn't go with this outfit, but it's gonna look really nice with like a simple jeans or maybe with your formal dresses. And this is how it is from the inside, quite spacious. So yeah, this is another bag that I wanted to share. Next bag that I have is for my office girlies or the girls who love, you know, carrying tote bags and want one on like affordable budget. This one is available in much more color combinations as well, but I think this color combination is pretty great. This is like beige and brown and it does come with a zip, तो तुम्हारा वो 12-inch वाला लैपटॉप इसमें आराम से फिट हो जाएगा. The only problem I have is this logo, जो कि इतना बड़ा नहीं है honestly, and that's my personal problem. I don't think anybody would mind this logo. The brand name is Legal Bribe, witty, but yeah, if you're someone like me who's very sometimes कोई ब्रांड का नाम मुझे पसंद नहीं आता, लाइक इसका क्वालिटी और सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है, सो आई जस्ट कैरी इट लाइक दिस, यू नो, उल्टा, because it serves the purpose and it holds like a lot of things as well, and yeah, it looks pretty smart, it's sturdy, so you can definitely check this one out. Yeah, everything is mentioned in the description box below. Let me know which one was your favorite bag आज के वीडियो में से. I would love to know, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video.